e-commerce app. Using the for the front end I have used the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and the for backend I have used the node.js, and database is the mongodb. So this is the main user interface where user can see the list of the clothes. So this is the collection. There are few details for the woman, man and for child also. So this is the main page, and if user want to search any particular category by entering the name of this category here, the page will be scrolled to the main page where the details of the cloth will be shown. So for men I have searched, so this is category it is showing here. If I enter women, so it will be scroll to the women category and the clothes related to the woman will be shown here, and for same for the child will also work. And if I search for the any particular name, so such as I am looking for this denim overalls, so if I enter the any particular name, so it will be scroll to that. And if it is empty, so it will show all the details which is fetching from the API node.js. I am searching one another queries. So for the jeans I have searched, and this is result it is showing here. So every query will be displayed when the data is available in the API. So this is about the main user interface. Till now I have made this only, and coming to the coding part, this is the index.html, and I have used a bootstrap in it. So this is the main navigation bar where there are the user can provide the inputs, and this is the column where details of the main page will be shown on the below of the footer bar, and this displays the styling of the footer. And this is page where the all the data which I have fetched in the JavaScript will be displayed in this in the randomly manner. So and this is index.js where I am fetching the data. So initially document, when the document is loaded through the event listener, and we are running callback function where the API is fetched here, and when the API is successfully fetched, so it will be displayed in the detail function where I am passing this data which is fetched in this display function, and this display function will be display the details. So this is the display data where all the data will be displayed using the template literals. And this is the second part where the search box will be working. So whenever the data is input in the search bar, and there is a input, so after using the callback function, if there is any space, so it will be trimmed there, and if the query length is more than or equal to 3, so this API will be working here. So I am passing the query which is when the user is entering the data in the input, so this is passing the API with the post method, and this query will be working as a params to the backend. So when this data is successfully fetched and it is uh, coming from the backend, so if the data length is greater than 0, then it will be scrolled to that particular place where the detail will be shown. And at that time I am passing this fetch data to the display function, so that display will be shown to the user. And if query length is 0, that means if there is no input from the user. So again the my main data will be fetched here, where there is a mixture of all the categories. So this was the JavaScript for the front end. And coming to the backend part, this is the model which I have made, where the data will be stored using the Mongoose and MongoDB. I'm exporting this cloth model, and this is the router for this main API where all the data is displayed. This cloth model is searched here, and all the data is returned to the front end. And this is the param where I have used when the user inputs the query to the input field. And if user inputs any of the related fields such as name, category, description, so it will find it in the MongoDB, and it will display, it will send the API to the backend. And this is the index.js main page. I have used Express and Mongoose, and this is the main string where the Mongoose is connecting to the MongoDB, and this is the port where I am listening is where the server is running on the 8000, and this is the whole project here. Okay, thank you.